now, buddy.
Got a call or something.
Or he just didn't turn his damn lights on.
I like this.
Now he's back on the other side of the road, driving against traffic. What's this cop doing? Driving against traffic on the curb lane.
Chasing that guy.
You chasing the kid on the bike?
Yep.
Oh, fuck me. We got a show, boys. Here comes backup. Moving over. Holy fuck. They're ripping hard on that kid at the bike. Now there's a good Samaritan pulled over on the other side, gonna try and stop him. Cop nails him. He dodged. This is funny, guys. They're out on foot. He's out on foot, and he just tased the kid. Nail him.
Oh, right into the side of the cop car! Yeah!